Hello, once again, it is me, Dark Chaotix 1, here with another installment of RWS Customs, Volume 2. Today we will be looking at a character who was featured in the last review, Caitlin. Now, you can immediately tell this is not the original Caitlin. No, this is not. I've taken Caitlin and I've turned her into a British design, as I've done with most of the Americans who show up in the show. Except those who are already semi-British design. But anyway, as we can see, she's a coronation. Well, technically a duchess, as their revolt forms are known for. But there's something you'll notice. The tender. Most Duchess class locomotives no longer have the streamlined tender, so why does she have it? Here's the thing. There was another batch of Duchess of coronation locomotives built, but without the streamlining at the front. But they were still paired with streamlined tenders. I think it was 4 of them that had this. Most notably, numbers 6250. They were all named after cities. So, that's a thing. But I've decided to take that and add that because it would kind of carry over some of the traits of her American appearance in the show. Having a very long, non-broken up shaped tender. Like, just very clean and still and singular looking. Anyway, now let's get into trivia like we did sort of with other characters. So in this universe, obviously, Caitlin and also Connor are now British designs. Caitlin here is a Duchess, so she shares a lot of the details as most of them would. Built roughly in the 30s, and would work on the LMS for being sent over, receiving no numbers until, the big numbering scheme I have planned to talk about later. But yeah, aside from that, there's not much on her, aside from the fact that she runs expresses, much like you would expect the Pacific to in the British Isles. I've also added smoke deflectors because seeing a Duchess without smoke deflectors is kind of odd to me. Makes me immediately jump to princesses, which is not what this is. This is a Duchess. Spin it around, as you can see. I've also tried my best to model what the back of the tender looks like from a certain view. But now let's do a quick size comparison. Here is her running mate, we shall say, Connor. Since these were both made at the exact same time, I've made sure that they scale decently. Only difference, of course, is tender length. But you get the general gist. But anyway, that'll be about it. So let's move Connor to the side. Oof. And then let's also show Murdoch again. Guest appearance again before big reveal. Anyway. 9Fs and Duchesses are not often seen side by side, but I think this is roughly accurate. But anyway, that'll be about it for this one. So I'll see you in the next installment where we cover our favorite orange behemoth, which you just saw me pull away from the screen. This has been Dark Chaotix. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next installment.